Yeah.
And so he'd go down and get the water from the well, and Mom would be with them, and we would just talk and chatter away, all of us, around Mom and Ed.
Carry water up so Mom could wash clothes. And it wasn't just Mother washing clothes. There was a stick in front. We would have to push and pull, push and pull, push and pull until we were arms tight. Then the next one take turn, push and pull.
This was a machine or a tub?
The tub that had a.
Did your dad make it?
No, you buy it.
You buy it.
It was a commercial one, but it was one that you had to push and pull. This is before you had anything with electrical washer. So that's how we wash clothes.
And
There
I was so glad we got it because otherwise before Mom, she had one to scrub it all the time. And so much work. And this way we were helping her.
we were after her.
So we could take turns pushing and pulling and pushing and pulling. And then finally Mother said, finish. And then we could stop for a little bit.
Those are things that, seeing how when the children were little and our sisters growing up, born. Yeah, I just remember when my sister Edna had a bad sore boil on her face.
That was Sister Zella. This Sister Zella.
Zella? She was a new baby.
Yeah, it was, but I remember it was a great big boil.
And Mom put compresses on it, or did something, because all of a sudden it just came out.
Burst out.
She got it taken care of.
Infection was taken care of. She said, I think it was, was trouble, had trouble with eating. when she was born, Grandma was so thrilled. She was born in March, and there wasn't anything much in the way of fruit around, except what Mother had cooked. And here were some nice strawberries, so she ate these strawberries. Somebody brought strawberries to her at some place. And poor Auntie Bella just cried and cried and cried and cried and cried. Because it wasn't good up for Auntie Bella to have the strawberries.
She couldn't react. She reacted